Hello, hello! Welcome back to the Luana English Podcast. I'm Luana, and as always, I'm joined by my wonderful co-host, Josimar. How's your mood today, Josimar?
Hey, Luana. I'm doing great. Actually, I'm feeling quite sunny, which is perfect because today we're diving into a topic everyone cares about, the science of happiness.
Exactly. We often think we know what makes us happy, but today we're going to look at what the research says. Is it a big bank account, a clean bill of health, or something else entirely? So, Josimar, let's be honest. If I gave you $1 million right now, would you be happier?
Well, in the short term, definitely. I'd probably buy that vintage motorcycle I've been eyeing. But science shows that money has a diminishing return. Once your basic needs, like food and housing, are met, more money doesn't actually make you much happier.
That's so interesting. It's called the hedonic treadmill, right? We get something new, we feel a high, and then we just get used to it.
Exactly. It becomes the new normal. So if it's not a pile of cash, what about health? We always say, if you have your health, you have everything.
True, but surprisingly, even people with chronic health issues can report high levels of happiness if they have a strong support system. It seems our physical state is important, but our mental state and our tribe matter more.
Our tribe. I like that. You're talking about community.
Yes, the longest study on happiness, the Harvard study, followed people for over 80 years. The number one predictor of happiness wasn't wealth or fame, it was quality relationships.
That makes sense. It's about who you can call at 3 a.m. when things go wrong. It's about belonging. But I also think flow plays a part. You know, when you're so busy doing something you love that you lose track of time?
Oh, I love that feeling. For me, it's painting. For you, it's probably fixing those old watches, right?
Spot on. It's about having a purpose or a hobby that challenges you just enough.
Okay, let's look at some of the language we just used. Josimar, you mentioned diminishing returns. That sounds a bit technical.
It is. In economics and psychology, diminishing returns means that the more you add of something, the less extra benefit you get. Like eating pizza. The first slice is amazing. The fifth slice, not so much.
Great example. And I used the phrase clean bill of health. This is a very common idiom. It just means a report from a doctor saying you are perfectly healthy.
We also use the word tribe informally. In this context, it doesn't mean a literal ancient tribe. It refers to your close circle of friends and family, the people who truly get you.
Before we go, let's recap 5 key words or idioms from today's episode. 1. Diminishing return. A point where the level of profits or benefits is less than the amount of money or energy invested. Example, working 12 hours a day has diminishing returns because you become too tired to be productive.
2. Support system. A network of people who provide emotional or practical help. Example, when I moved to a new city, my coworkers became my primary support system.
3. To lose track of time. To fail to notice how much time has passed because you are busy or having fun. Example, I was so into my book that I lost track of time and missed my bus.
4. Chronic. Of an illness or problem persisting for a long time or constantly recurring. Example, he suffers from chronic back pain, but yoga helps him manage it.
5. Spot on. Completely accurate or correct. Example, your description of the movie was spot on. It was exactly as you said.
That's it for today. It turns out happiness isn't about what you have, but who you have around you and what you do with your time.
So, here is your call to action. Call a friend today, or spend 20 minutes on a hobby that makes you lose track of time. Practice using one of our new vocabulary words in a comment or a message.
Thanks for listening. We'll catch you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.